We've got new information on the scope and the cost of wildfires so far this year. It came during a presentation before a legislative budget committee.
It has been a really crazy season.
The state forester gave some stunning figures about Utah's fires. Utah has recorded 839 wildfires so far this year. The earliest started in January, and more than 500,000 acres of land has been burned statewide. The Cottonwood fire in Beaver County is believed to be the most destructive. Nearly 200 properties destroyed, including a ski resort. The good news is 91% of fires across the entire state have been stopped at 10 acres or less, thanks to the work of firefighters. The top cause of fires, still human caused. It's very expensive for taxpayers.
We're about $216.9 million for all jurisdiction of cost, state and private acres on the 10 largest fires.
Now, wildfire season is not over yet. It technically runs through the end of October, and there are forecasts out now that call for an above-average chance for wildfires through September. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.